Hello, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch another video. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds, fell in love with running, and now I'm trying to live the healthiest life I possibly can while being a mom. Last night I was up very late editing and trying to fix all that out, figure all that out. I've been having lots of editing problems lately. But finally, about midnight, I figured out that it's the version of Premiere Pro that I'm using, so all was well. I just had to go back to the previous version. So, anyway, cheers to the day. We're going to start off Vlogmas on the right foot. Here we go. Alright, I'm currently setting up the wireless doorbell thing here. It's going pretty simply. It's not that hard. I'm just waiting on it to sync up. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I'm going to use this to hang up, and hopefully it won't fall. And there's a gnat flying around my office. It's getting on my nerves. Okay, so let me finish setting this up. The start of Vlogmas is so exciting, right? I promise I did more today than just install a, instead of just installing that doorbell. I actually had to stick it up there with like tape. I think I already said that, but yeah, it's done. But I've been working and now I need to go home and do some other things since I stayed up super late last night. I don't want to repeat that today. And then eventually I'm going to have to work out. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, we go home.
Interior, garage, door.
Alright, so I've just been cleaning because the cleaning lady is coming tomorrow. But I usually work out when I get home from work. But I just felt like I had some other stuff to do, so I spared you the time lapse of me cleaning. You see down here, I have a donate pile. Well, this is the donate. This is the sell on ThredUp pile for Tiny Todd's clothes. So, that's just basically what I've been doing. It's just been a lot of clutter in the house. So that was the easiest way to get rid of the clutter. Now I'm getting ready to go do my running workout. Today is Wednesday, speed workout day. And I kind of don't want to do it, but like I'm not in one of those funky moods where I'm dreading the workout. I just don't want to work out, but it's okay. Have a little bit of incentive today. Today is my last 15-minute workout to get my Paceline. So, you know, if you're into that, then hey, that's a little bit of motivation. So I'm getting ready to go do my run, and hopefully I'll get home about the time that Todd gets home. Let's go work out. I don't know if I've talked about it, but I got a new orange mud pack right before my half marathon. And this pack is way better than the other one. Not that there was anything wrong with the other pack, but my pack was just so old and crusty. It's nice to have a new one, but the entire time I was running that race, the little whistle thing was like stabbing me in my throat. If I could find the whistle thing right now. Of course I can't. Oh, this thing right here. The whistle was just stabbing me in my throat. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to combat that issue. But other than that, I love my new pack. I guess it was just riding up too much because that clip is way down here, so it had to have been just riding up way too much. That's why you shouldn't run with new stuff on race day, folks. Alright, let's do this. I'm done. 45 minutes. Speed work day. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off for 25 minutes. Easy running the rest of the time. Let me tell you how good it feels to finish a speed workout. Like to finish a workout at all. For so long I never had any workouts. I always just went out and ran. Thought everyone was supposed to be the same. Now I know better. So that now when I actually finish like a speed workout, even if it sucked, it's still the best thing in the world. I probably said that every Wednesday in every workout video that I ever do. But speed work makes me feel alive, and I feel myself getting better and improving and progressing. That's all that matters. So I'm done. Now I need to go home before it gets dark. I love how it gets dark early. Everyone else hates it, but I love it. Struggling here a little bit. I can't get the terrible. Got it. Overnight oats done for tomorrow. I haven't really had anything to eat for breakfast because I didn't buy anything and I hadn't prepped anything. By the way, these are dates that I soaked in water just to loosen them up a little bit. Alright, so that is the end of the day. Morning is very chaotic around here, and nighttime is very chaotic. So Todd is going to bed. I'm going to take some time to relax. Yesterday was a totally different day. Yesterday I had a breakdown because I broke the Christmas tree, and
Is this the one? No peeking. I'm not looking. I just see if Chelsea cooking. Your dad is nearly finished outside. Come on, Daddy. I want to see surprise. Chelsea. Alright. I was trying to see. Ready?
okay, basically my tree is broken.
No!
That's great.
I don't see where I go.
Alright, I have no idea if that is safe or not, but they are all plugged into the same one. I'm not buying another Christmas tree this year. Just not. not doing it. So that ends today's video. Sorry about that. I broke the Christmas tree. I cried and I stayed up late editing and doing a whole bunch of things, and today was a more chill day. So I'm always down for the more chill days, and I'm happy. And that's all that matters to me. I'm currently obsessed with watching Dance Moms. I don't know if I've mentioned this in other vlogs, but yes, I'm so into Dance Moms right now, and I just can't stop watching it. I'm on season 5 now, so this is when they're going to LA, but I have no idea why I'm so into it. When I have so many other shows that I need to watch. I still need to watch You. I still need to watch Gossip Girl, like the second half. Sex and the City starts soon. What else starts soon? Emily and Paris starts soon. Yeah, there's just a lot of like different shows coming out. And plus I need to read. I haven't read a book in 2 weeks. I think maybe I just needed a break. But I'm gonna get back on my reading grind because it's almost the end of the year, even though I've already met my reading goal. So I'm excited about that. So that is all for this for today's video. I almost said this week's video. My child is having a birthday party on Saturday and we are not prepared. So the next 2 days are going to be spent getting prepared for a birthday party. So I'm gonna bring you along. We'll see how long I can ride this Vlogmas train. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you are into Vlogmas. You know, that's a video posted every single day. I'm trying to keep it chill and light and fun and not stressful, because this will be like my 3rd year doing it, and last year it wasn't it. So I'm just gonna be chill about it. If I miss a day, then I miss a day, or whatever. I already know that I'm capable of completing it, so whatever. So give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.